Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to reset Microsoft Edge browser on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly you just need to open your Edge browser and simply click on this three dot button on your right side corner. So after click on three dot button, click on settings. Now here you just need to click on reset settings from your left side. After that, click on reset settings to their default values. Now click on reset. Now what you have to do, you just need to close your Edge browser. Simply go to your start or search window and type %appdata %. Now press enter from your keyboard. Now you just need to click on app data over here. Now go to under local folder. Now you just need to scroll down and find Microsoft folder. So here it is, as you can see. So go under that folder. Now you just need to find Edge. So go under that folder. Now go under user data. Now under user data, select all the files and folders by pressing Ctrl and A. And after that, shift delete, or else you can right click and delete. And just click on skip, and after that you are done. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.